channel. So today we're going to be making a really simple apple crumble. So for this we'll be using some really simple ingredients, and this is a really easy version of apple crumble. So I have some butter here and some cinnamon, some apples. I'm using 5 or 6 apples. I have some oats, and I'm using a crumble topping and some light brown sugar. So let's begin. So I've sliced up my apples and I'm going to now line them up in the dish. So we just carry on until the bottom part is covered. So I'm going to now sprinkle some cinnamon. So it really is up to you how much you prefer, but this does bring out the flavour. And now I'm going to sprinkle some light brown sugar. Make sure the apples are covered. So I've used about 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to now add the butter. You don't have to add butter, but I am, because it brings out so much flavour. So this is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, which I've just cut up in small cubes. So now I'm going to add the crumble topping. So this is just a basic crumble topping from any supermarket you can buy. So this bag contains 450 grams. So I'm just going to now cover the apples and the butter. Okay, that's nicely covered now. Now I'm going to sprinkle some oats. This should give it a more of a crispy taste. And finally, with the remaining brown sugar, I'm just going to sprinkle very lightly over the top. Okay, this is now ready to go in the oven. So we're going to pop this in the oven on a gas mark 5 for 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, this is now ready and out of the oven. As you can see, it looks nicely golden brown and crispy. Apple crumble recipe. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and thanks guys for watching.